Hi all. Okay, so we're going to do template 2 now. Let's go ahead and compile it and run it, and then we'll talk about the code. I'm already in function 2 folder, and we'll go BCC32 on A. We'll compile it, and then we'll run it. So it just prints out a 20. This is basically the same as number 1. We have main. It does a function call. We have a function that starts with a template. And then we do some simple math here and a printout. Okay, so normally you'll see this as one line. Just a regular function, starts out with a template line, but the function doesn't know what the data types are. It doesn't know what's coming. It doesn't know if this is going to be an int, a float, or what. This is the same template setup as the previous one, but now we're calling it with 2 ints. Okay, so we do the function call, and it runs this code. Normally, you'll see this as one line. It's just a regular function header, but it starts with this template line. I like to break this up here, then it makes more sense. So when we do the function call, this 10 comes into here. Type 1 becomes an int because we send this an int. So int comes into here, type 1. Type 1 here becomes an int. Our second argument comes into here. So type 2 becomes an int. So this becomes an int. So we have total becomes an int, set to 0. So total is an int. And then we go x plus y. We're adding 2 ints, storing the total here as an int because it was made an int here, and then we do the cout to print it out, and that's how we get the 20 here. Okay, so just to show you how this might work, let's say if we call this twice. We'll make these floats. We have to recompile. Then we run it. So the first time we did the function call, it printed out an integer, 20. Second time we did the function call, it printed out a float, 20.42 with the decimal points. So that would be the reason of having a template. This function doesn't know what's coming. These warnings are just saying that we're never using the 0 here. If we get rid of this, recompile. See, those warnings went away now. Okay, so those are function templates. We've got one more of these, and we'll go over that in the next video. See ya. Bye.